The new Spider Farmer indoor plant stand is a perfect solution for seed starting, cloning, houseplants, and even jump starting tomato or pepper plants for summer. With 28-inch width, 14-inch depth, and 59-inch height, it's perfect for trays of plants. The rugged shelf includes a grow tent enclosure and has grow lights that are also included for each of the 3 grow compartments. It's the perfect solution. The box that it comes in is quite compact. Inside the box, the first thing you'll notice is the grow tent. Underneath the grow tent is the shelving unit. As mentioned, the lights are also included in the box, and as a matter of fact, these are the Glow 20 grow lights from Spider Farmer. There's 2 pieces per grow unit, a total of 3 grow spaces, and the Glow 20 can be attached to the bottom of the shelf by using the clips and zip ties. And this is going to provide the lighting that is necessary for young plants. Pulling some of the shelving units out of the box, you'll find that the grow tent does include this flap that can be used on the front of the shelving unit, and the poles, which are easy to put together. And if you've ever put together a baker's rack, you'll find that the package that has these small parts, they snap together, and that's what the shelves rest on. This just snaps around the outside of the pole, and the shelf sits on top, and it just kind of slides together. Fortunately, Spider Farmer has included some dolly wheels, and that is going to allow me to do a lot of my maintenance, pulling the entire unit around the room if I want to reposition it, or forward and back if I want to do a little bit of housekeeping. Instructions are included. There are 3 different sizes of this particular indoor plant stand. So now that you've seen the components of what is included inside the box and a brief description, the next thing that I'll be doing is putting together this entire unit and connecting up the lights. I will probably end up using a smart plug to control the hours on, hours off on the lights and give you a better look at what it looks like when it's fully assembled.